A healthy gut boosts digestion, immunity, mood, energy, and skin health while reducing inflammation and chronic disease risk. It supports weight management, better sleep, and overall well-being. Start small. Add one gut-friendly habit today. Let's do this together. Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Fit Facts. Today, we are focusing on something that impacts your digestion, immunity, and even mood, your gut health. Your gut, often called your second brain, influences digestion, immunity, and mood. Feeling bloated or fatigued? It's time for a gut health revival. 3 steps to revive your gut health. 1. Eat probiotic and prebiotic foods. Include yogurt, kombucha, bananas, and garlic for a healthy microbiome. 2. Hydrate and de-stress. Drink water and practice stress-reducing activities like yoga. 3. Stay active. Regular exercise supports digestion and gut balance. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to Dr. Fit Facts, and share your gut health tips in the comments. Thank you for watching Dr. Fit Facts. See you in the next lecture.